Welcome to all gardening and outdoor maintenance lovers. Today I am going to talk to you about a revolutionary tool that will change the way you approach pruning and trimming trees. Imagine being able to reach the highest treetops effortlessly and give your garden a flawless look. Well, look no further because we have the perfect product for you. The Telescopic Multifunctional Branch Cutter Fiskars UPX. Click on the link in the description to learn more about its features. See the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers and order yours now. The Fiskars Multifunctional Branch Cutter is the perfect tool for all gardening enthusiasts, whether they are beginners or experts. Whether you have a small garden or a vast area to maintain, this versatile equipment makes the task easier, providing an effective and durable solution for all your pruning needs. Are you tired of juggling with unstable ladders to reach those hard-to-reach branches? This Fiskars branch cutter solves this problem with a total reach of 6 meters, including the user. No more dangerous acrobatics. This telescopic branch cutter with a sharp blade is designed for fresh young shoots, branches and twigs up to 3.2 centimeters. You will be able to transform your garden into a neat and harmonious space without hassle. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. The optimized cutting head of this tool offers increased efficiency and longevity. Thanks to its manual pivoting up to 230 degrees and its ability to lock in any position, you will be able to tackle the most complex branches. Clean cuts are guaranteed thanks to the upper blade with a non-stick coating and the hardened counter blade. A true gem for any gardener concerned with precision. But that's not all. The telescopic handle allows for easy adjustment to the cutting height, enabling you to reach high branches without difficulty. Furthermore, the internal cable system ensures optimal force transmission, making cutting effortless even during long-duration tasks. And with the optimized extended handle, comfort is truly guaranteed. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality, as well as to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Durability is at the heart of this Fiskars UPX branch cutter, with its hardened steel blade and aluminum handle. But that's not all. This product is also compatible with acid, adaptable pruning and fruit picking, offering truly exceptional versatility. And because the brand truly believes in the quality of its products, it offers a 25-year warranty, providing peace of mind for all demanding gardeners. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. The number one advantage is the exceptional reach. With a total reach of 6 meters, including the user, this branch cutter allows you to reach the tops of trees without the need for a ladder. Advantage number 2, increased efficiency thanks to the optimized cutting head, which can pivot 230 degrees and be fixed in any position. This ensures a clean and precise cut even on heavily branched limbs. Advantage number 3, adaptability to height. The telescopic handle makes it easy to adjust to the desired height, providing great flexibility to reach high branches. Advantage number 4, exceptional durability. The hardened steel blade and aluminum handle ensure great durability, backed by a 25-year warranty. Advantage number 5, versatility. Compatible with additional accessories such as the pruning saw and the fruit wedge, this branch cutter offers increased versatility. Now let's move on to the few drawbacks, the number 1 being weight. Weighing 1.9 kilo, the tool may feel a bit heavy for some users, especially during prolonged use. Disadvantage number 2, bulkiness. Due to its extended reach, the branch cutter can be cumbersome to handle in tight spaces. So if you are looking for a reliable, high-performance and durable tool to take care of your garden, look no further. This Fiskars UPX Telescopic Multifunctional Branch Cutter is your ultimate ally. Order now by clicking the link in the description to take advantage of the best price, learn more, and discover the thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Transform your pruning experience with Fiskars, where quality and innovation have met since 1640. Thank you very much for your attention and